Pero bakit tayo isang buwan na? Pasensya ka na ma'am, ikaw nag-attend, but I know you're a powerful person then there, and pinagre-resign kayo lahat eh. So hindi ko alam kung matatanong ko pa kayo, but I think you should all still assess. But yung frustration sa akin, parang hindi kayo tumutulong sa investigasyon. Parang ano lang, every week lang, sana mamatay na yung issue, sana wala. Pero hindi nyo dinidiinan na talaga kung ano pa talaga ang nangyayari. So, categorically, tell us now, ilan sa 15 ang may ghost project?
Po, kung mako-confirm, Your Honor, dahil hindi ko po alam kung ilan na po yung result ng QAU inspection.
Bakit ma'am? Kayo ang nung first hearing natin sa Tulay, ganun din. Ang lahat ng pinadala sa hearing, ang sagot, hindi ko alam. Mr. Chairman, just on that point. Yeah. Mr. Chairman, good afternoon, Mr. Commissioner. I think we have a different view. If you look at jurisprudence and dun sa Article 270, pag in-order ng Presidente or congressional hearings, you can disclose. What 270 prohibits is the unauthorized disclosure by a BIR employee. But when Congress asks you to disclose, you can disclose without liability. This is Abacada Guro Party List versus Purisima. Congress' power of oversight is intrinsic in the grant of legislative power and it in itself integral to the checks and balances inherent in a democratic system of government, etc., etc. Maybe you want to look at it muna, Commissioner, para we can discuss later.
Yes, Mr. Chair, but in addition to Section 270, Section 20 of the Tax Code provides additional provision that submission of pertinent information to Congress, that any information or any return information which can be associated or otherwise identified directly or directly a particular taxpayer shall be furnished the appropriate committee of Congress only when sitting in executive session unless such taxpayer otherwise consents in writing to such disclosure.
Yes, so meaning you can submit to us.
Yes, in executive session, but I think
Yes, and then
not
under our rules sa executive session, it is our choice whether we will disclose it or not.
yes, Mr.
So
Chair.
ang pinoprotektahan lang ng Commissioner is yung integrity ng BIR at ng inyong responsibility. But once it is with us, I just want to make that clear. Diba? That is a decision that the committee will make as a committee, of course led by our chairman. Tama, Commissioner?
Yes, yes, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Thank you for that clarification.
Thank you.
Sen Alan, I think we are guided by our precedents also. Nangyari na ito, Commissioner, in the case of Parmali, the BIR sent the subject income tax document in a sealed envelope to the chairman of the committee. Maybe you can also do that. At bahala na ako kung paano ko i-dispose yun. That's the precedent we had so far. Maybe you wanted to consider that.
Yes, we will we'll do that, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Senator Alan.
Yes, Mr. Chairman. Of course, we'll be guided by jurisprudence. My personal feeling is that assessment is Congress can compel. But of course, we shouldn't violate the law. We should follow it. But a good compromise nga is that we will consider it a constructive executive session that the BIR Commissioner turn over to you with the condition that it will not be released unless we follow our rules and vote that it be released, but it will be for the perusal. And of course, we thank the Commissioner for doing the research on it. I don't think you were compelled, no? It was an initiative on your part. No? Mr. Chairman, can I ask for one more thing? Kasi ang mga LOA is flying left and right. And of course, you're more than meeting your target. And of course, in the other room, happy everyone dun sa, bitin pa rin yung funding, but you're doing your part sa BIR. So can you also add in your submission, not today, yung etong top 15, or if you wanna go beyond the top 15, na LOA din ba kaya itong mga to? Para alam din natin na, kasi may question na on supervision nung DPWH, may question na yung COA, nabantayan ba? So let's look also on the BIR side for your guidance and our guidance na rin, Commissioner. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Are you done, Senator? Okay. Soto, Minority Leader.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I would just like to place on record in your committee a quotation. Oh, bagay na bagay doon sa mga ibang kasama natin dito ngayon eh. We are living in a time where some people are proud of what they should be ashamed of. Thank you.
Sino ang gumawa nun? Para malam. Ikaw yata yun. Thank you very much, Minority Leader. Before we... Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Can you show the slide? DPWH? Yes, Ma'am Yusek. Every year tinatanong ko to and every year sinasabi nyo na harmless ito at mistake lang ito. Pero every year rather than natatanggal, dumadagdag. So Mr. Chairman, Mr. Minority Leader, if you look in our slides, nung GAA ng 2023, 2.77 billion, ang double, exactly the same, ang nasa GAA. Bringing up natin to sa committee hearing, pero hanggang sa final version, meron pa rin natira. 2024, imbis na nabawasan, 3.48 billion ang double appropriation. Binanggit ko rin ulit to, sabi ulit ng DPWH, aayusin din nila. 2025, 78.5 billion ang double appropriation. So can you go to the next slide? Next slide ulit para... So these are the examples, Mr. Chair, no? Makikita mo, sorry po, malit lang dito, but exactly the same project, exactly the same amount. So, ma'am, quick answer lang po kasi magse-session na. Ba't hindi matanggal to sa submissions nyo?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, sa National Expenditure Program po, pagka sinabmit namin sa DBM at may na-catch kami pareho na double appropriation or pareho na exactly yung project name, ay kinokorek na po namin through submission of errata.
Ma'am, that's never. Ako po ang nagbe-bring up dito and then si Senator Coco.
Apo.
Pero sa final version, hindi pa rin na-correct.
Yun po ang ano
So,
eh.
pero bakit nga every year meron? So, etong 2026 ba? Meron?
Wala pong akong nare-report sa akin.
Sorry to ask you but kasi wala na si Sec Bonoan. But every year you promise
Apo.
na walang double, but every year lumalaki. Imbis na lumiliit. So, second question, now that you're doing an investigation, have you looked kung parehong binayaran yung mga double or hindi na binid yung isa or parehong binid? Have you looked o hindi?
Posible pong hindi na binid yung isa.
No, question ko ma'am, have you looked or not?
Yung
Honest answer, have you looked or not?
personally po, hindi po.
O can you ask and submit to the committee, is your investigation committee, did they or not? Okay.
Yes po.
Third question, bakit parang hirap na hirap ang DPWH mag-investigate? Hindi lang ngayon, nung inimbestigahan natin yung tulay, ayaw nyo mag-preventive suspension, ayaw nyo mag-submit. Tapos pag kami mga investigation na ganito, para kaming dentista na kailangan hilahin pa yung ngipin ng walang anesthesia, parang bubunutan pa parati. Bakit po ganon?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, hindi ko po masagot yan dahil yung investigation po...
May execom kayo, ma'am, di ba?
Opo.
Hindi nyo na pag-uusapan sa execom
Yung
tuwing may
investigation
investigasyon?
Yung mga
Nung nangyari na
investigation.
po itong lahat na to, it's been more than a month in the SONA. So hindi nyo na pag-usapan yung SONA nung sinabi ni Presidente, mahiya naman kayo at ano?
Nagtask lang po si former Secretary Bonoan ng mga QAU team para umikot po sa mga regional offices na at mag-inspect po.
Okay, can you run us through paano yung investigation na yon? Is it general? Is it everything? Di ba nasa inyo yung, under sa'yo yung geo to find out kung may geotagging sila sinubmit,
Meron
tapos
po.
wala.
Meron
Di ba?
pong
So for example, sa lahat ng pinakita ni Senator Lacson na ghost, nakita nyo na sa geotagging na may na-submit nga na meron?
Meron pong geotag na naka-report.
Oh, so sinuspend nyo na ba yung nag-submit ng geotag? Hindi pa rin.
Sa pagkakaalam ko po.
Kaya nga ma'am, yun ang tanong ko nga eh. Bakit, halimbawa dito sa Senate, kung sinabing may nagmamariwana, investigasyon ka agad, tatanggalin. Sa BIR, tanong mo kay Commissioner, yung katabi mo, nababasa ko lang, hindi mo na kwento to, Commissioner, nababasa ko lang. Di ba, ilan na sinuspend nyo sa term mo?
Madami-dami na, Mr. Chair. I think definitely more than 50, 70s
O,
na.
pag na-jaryo age. So bakit sa DPWH, ayan na, pinakita na ni Senator Lacson, ang dami ng tanong ng aming chairman, ang dami ng pinasubmit, na sa inyo geotag. So obviously, pag hindi nyo tinanggal at hindi nyo sinususpinde, gumagalaw pa yung mga yan para pagtakpan yung ginawa nila.
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, alam ko po na nag-suspend na si former Secretary Bonoan ng mga taga-Bulacan mula po
O,
doon
sa Bulacan lang ba may ghost?
Yun po yung
Eh pa-exercise at kumuha na tayo ng Ghostbusters for Bulacan only kung Bulacan lang ang may ghost.
Opo, yung buong distrito po, I think na nasuspend na.
Oh, pero ma'am, hindi ba napakadali naman? Kuha ka lang ng pinaka-junior. Nung araw may oyster pa ba ngayon? Wala na. Yung mga empleyado na kinukuha through DPWH.
Mga roadside workers yata meron
O, di ba? Sana nakikinig si Secretary Vince, di ba? Kung ako ang secretary ngayon, tawagan mo lang lahat ng district engineer, isa, pumunta ka dyan sa bawat project, kunan mo ng cellphone, eto yung geotag, i-compare mo. Kung wala, edi ghost. Pero bakit tayo isang buwan na? Pasensya ka na ma'am, ikaw nag-attend, but I know you're a powerful person then there and pinagre-resign kayo lahat eh. So hindi ko alam kung matatanong ko pa kayo, but I think you should all still assess. But yung frustration sa akin, parang hindi kayo tumutulong sa investigasyon. Parang ano lang, every week lang, sana mamatay na yung issue, sana wala. Pero hindi nyo dinidiinan na talaga kung ano pa talaga ang nangyayari. So, categorically, tell us now, ilan sa 15 ang may ghost project?
Po, kung mako-confirm, Your Honor, dahil hindi ko po alam kung ilan na po yung result ng QAU inspection.
Eh bakit ma'am? Eh kayo ang nung first hearing natin sa Tulay, ganun din. Ang lahat ng pinadala sa hearing, ang sagot, hindi ko alam.
I apologize.
O, kaya nga, ba't kayo ang pinadala kung hindi alam? O nasan yung may alam? Wala dito yung ibang DPWH na may alam?
Wala po akong kasamang ibang undersecretary or assistant secretary.
Okay,
Your
ma'am.
Honor.
Pero can you get back to us on that question? Pwedeng within the day, isend kay chairman. Ilan sa 15 ang sinasabing may ghost or at least, at kung, let me reverse it. Kung meron dito sa 15, hindi ko sinasabing walang anomalya, doon muna tayo sa ghost. Iba-ibang klaseng anomalya. Substandard, overpriced, etc. Ghost muna, ghost. Kung meron dito sa 15 na walang ghost, they also deserve na malagay na sa media na wala silang ghost project, di ba? On the reverse, yung meron ghost na confirmed, we all deserve na alam na natin. O yung ibang inimbestigahan, you can be quiet and say na we need another week, we need another 3 days. O, and then you say, etong 5, walang ghost, etong 7, pero we're looking kung tama yung completion, etc. Okay, last. Paano natin alam pag nagamit yung lisensya? Nagamit lang nung iba yung lisensya.
Wouldn't know, Your Honor, Mr.
Ma'am, alam mo, nung tumakbo pala akong congressman, tinanong ako, Chairman, ministro pa nagtanong sa akin. Ang tanong sa akin, Sir, marunong ka ba mandaya? Nagulat ako, ministro nagtanong sa akin eh. Eh sabi ko sa kanya, Sir, padadayain mo ako. Sabi niya, hindi. Kailangan alam mo kung paano nandaya para maprotektahan mo sarili mo, hindi ka idadayain. Bakit ka namin susuportahan kung magpapadaya ka? First question ko noong 2022 yun sa inyong secretary. Alam mo ba kung paano korapin ang mga projects ng DPWH? Ayaw sagutin. So kung lahat kayo dyan, hindi nyo alam kung paano makokorap yung project, paano mag-imbestiga, o hindi ba tinuruan ko na rin kayo noong 2022? Meron kayong EAW, di ba? O, pakilagay sa screen. Magkano ang EAW nyo the last 4 years? Almost 100 billion pesos. Nakalagay dyan, part of it is for testing. No? Ito po, guidelines ng EAW. Kayo po nagbigay sa akin nun eh. Sabi ko sa inyo, I will not move for its abolition. This is Chairman, 1% to 3.5%. Yung computation ko is based on an average of 2.5%. Yung dun sa yung 100 million na slide. Di ba ang usapan natin noong 2022 hearing, i-require nyo ng checklist ang bawat kontratista at isusure nyo na yung SSS, Pag-ibig at PhilHealth ay babayaran. Kung ginawa nyo yun, ginawa nyo ba? Hindi. Or hindi nyo alam? I mean, it's okay if hindi nyo alam kasi operations ba yan? Oh. Kung ginawa ng operations yan, tignan nyo lang yung empleyado. So pag sinabi yan ay empleyado yan ng Corporation B, pero ang nanalo ay Corporation Z, alam mo na pinahiram yung ano. Di ba, wag na natin paghirapan yung ating sarili. No? But, Sir Chairman, I'll stop there because I know magti 3 o'clock na. But I'd like to submit this and I'd like to ask the DPWH, can you submit the comprehensive yung paggamit ng EAW? And bakit nga wala yung testing? Number 2, dun sa mga sinabi na ni Senator Lacson or sinabi ng kahit sinong senador or nabuko nyo na ghost, ibigay nyo sa amin yung kopya ng geotagging at sino nakapirma dun sa mga yon, di ba? Last talaga, Mr. Chairman, is COA here? Yes. So, ma'am, dun sa mga may ghost na nabayaran, are we also looking already into sinong auditor doon?
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. So, I'll stop there, but can you brief us on that? And same naman na sinabi ko, no? Na if the BIR is proactive, the customs is proactive, alam naman natin yung top 10 na at least perception-wise, tingin ng tao corrupt. So, double, triple time tayo doon. But you're doing something internally na rin, no, ma'am?
Meron po.
Meron na rin,
Your
ma'am.
Honor.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you.